Owning a car is getting more expensive. It's not just the price of gas or insurance. Car repairs are taking a bigger bite out of budgets. Why are repair bills going up? There are several factors at play. Cars are more complex, labor costs are higher, parts are more expensive, and inflation is affecting everything. These rising costs are a problem for car owners. Unexpected repairs can strain finances. Some people delay repairs, putting their safety at risk. Understanding the reasons behind these rising costs can help car owners make informed decisions. Today's cars are technological marvels. They are packed with computers, sensors, and advanced safety features. This complexity comes at a price. Repairing these systems requires specialized knowledge and equipment. Mechanics need extensive training to stay up to date. Diagnostic tools are expensive. Replacement parts for these systems can also be costly. As cars become more sophisticated, the cost of repairs is likely to continue rising. This trend highlights the need for skilled mechanics who can handle these complex repairs. The automotive repair industry is facing a labor shortage. There are not enough skilled mechanics to meet demand. This shortage is driving up labor costs. Experienced mechanics are in high demand. Shops must offer competitive wages and benefits to attract and retain talent. This shortage is partly due to an aging workforce. Many experienced mechanics are retiring. At the same time, fewer young people are entering the trades. This skills gap is contributing to the rising cost of car repairs. Parts, supply chains, and the price of repairs. The cost of replacement parts has also increased. This is due in part to supply chain disruptions. The global pandemic and geopolitical events have impacted the availability of parts. When parts are scarce, prices go up. Additionally, the use of more sophisticated parts in modern cars contributes to higher costs. These parts are more expensive to manufacture. They often require specialized suppliers. All of these factors impact the final price that consumers pay for car repairs. Section 5. Inflation's ripple effect, from gas pumps to repair shops. Inflation is affecting the cost of everything, including car repairs. The prices of raw materials such as steel and aluminum have increased. This affects the cost of manufacturing cars and parts. Shipping costs have also risen, adding to the final price of goods. These inflationary pressures are felt throughout the automotive industry. Consumers are paying more for new and used cars. They are also paying more to keep their existing vehicles on the road. Section 6. The high cost of keeping older cars running. Older cars can be more expensive to maintain. Parts may be harder to find. Rust and wear can lead to more extensive repairs. While older cars may have lower upfront costs, they can require more maintenance over time. Regular maintenance is essential for all vehicles, but especially for older ones. This can help prevent costly repairs down the road. However, even with diligent maintenance, older cars may require more frequent and expensive repairs than newer models. Section 7. Navigating the road ahead. Tips for affordable car care. The rising cost of car repairs is a real concern for car owners. While some factors are beyond our control, there are steps we can take to manage these expenses. Regular maintenance. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule can help prevent costly repairs. Shop around. Get quotes from multiple mechanics before choosing a repair shop. Consider used parts. In some cases, used parts can be a cost-effective alternative to new ones. DIY repairs. Simple repairs like changing oil or replacing air filters can save money. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate the price of repairs with your mechanic. By taking these steps, car owners can mitigate the impact of rising repair costs and keep their vehicles running smoothly.